Alright, so I have a couple little projects that I got to do today. This goes to a yard rake that my father-in-law has, and they keep breaking right here in the middle. I also have this from my wife's work that it just snapped off. And then this, I want to have this hang on my folding box. And so I'm going to cut a piece off of this and bend it up so that this can hang on it. This is pretty close to the right size. So it was pointed out to me that I wasn't using my extra arm on here and that I should be. Actually, it is better to use them so that if you catch something, you have more control over it. And we got the finished product. This one I'm going to weld onto the welding table later. This is going back to my wife's work. This is going over to my father-in-law's. Thank you guys for watching. We'll talk to you later.